Fefdy.
Conservation of water.
Many countries have water scarcity and are trying to find solutions to provide water for their people. So, it is necessary to save water.
I get it now, Mom. Let me tell you how we can save water.
First, you should turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. You should always take short showers. You should fix leaky taps and pipes. We should pour the leftover water from the water bottle into the plants. And we should use the wastewater from the RO system for household chores. We should always reuse the water drained from soaked pulses and grains to water the plants.
It is nice that we all share the common goal of conserving water. We will make it a habit to save water every day.
Of course, we have to, Econ. We learnt about the uses of water, right?
Yes, Mom, we must be very thankful for the rain.
At Fefdy Grade 1, step into the world of Fefdy Science, where learning unfolds like an exciting story. Immerse your child in captivating stories that unravel core science concepts with ease. From the mysteries of space to the wonders of nature, every lesson is an adventure waiting to be explored. And the best part, we've got an array of digital games and videos to make the science journey even more thrilling. Dive into Fefdy Science with Fefdy. Stories that teach, digital fun that sticks. Fefdy Science.
We water the plants in the garden. But the trees, animals and birds in the forest, they depend only on rainfall. Without water, the forest would suffer.
True, Econ, water can turn the tiny seeds into giant trees and the dry forest into a lush green paradise. Water, the drop of wonder, has the power to make things grow and stay healthy. So let's all do our part to protect this precious resource.
Okay, Mom.
The 22nd of March is World Water Day.